Number 1. AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera Kit. If you want easy installation and great picture quality, the AUTO-VOX CS2 offers the best of both worlds. As it's a wireless camera, you should have no problem attaching the camera, with built-in wireless transmitter, to the back of your car or mounting the suction cup-enabled screen on your dashboard. That means you can save money by avoiding installation fees with this wireless backup camera. While wired cameras are more reliable than wireless ones on the whole, the CS2, like the other wireless cameras we've included here, is an exception to that rule. The camera uses digital wireless transmission, which means that there's virtually no interference from other signals and no distortion to the image. Plus, the signal is strong, with AUTO-VOX recommending the camera for any vehicle less than 32 feet long. It should be noted that the viewing angle for the CS2 rear-view backup camera is 110 degrees, which may be too narrow for drivers who want a very wide field of vision. However, for parallel and close-quarters parking, 110 degrees works well as it cuts down on the amount of image distortion created on the screen. The AUTO-VOX CS2 is pricier than some other car backup camera systems, but the high performance and reliability ensure that customers will be satisfied with the purchase. Number 2. ASTROAI Digital Tire Inflator with Pressure Gauge. This Jocko tire air pressure gauge is small enough to fit in your pocket or glove box. It can read up to 60 psi in 1 psi increments and is calibrated to the American National Standards Institute standard to be accurate within 1.5%. Heavy-duty brass components are wrapped in a rubber protective guard, and the 2-inch glow-in-the-dark dial gauge is easy to read. Readings will stay on the analog dial until the pressure reset button is pressed, so you can release it from the valve stem and have a better look. If you need to deflate a bit, just leave the gauge attached and hold down that same button to have it act as a bleed valve for a slow release of air. The brass chuck can swivel 360 degrees, making it easy to use at any angle. Number 3. Car LED Strip Lights. App control in 16 million colors. Our car atmosphere light uses wireless app for control suitable for iOS or Android. Choose any color you like from 16 million colors. Built-in 29 preset modes, app control to turn lights on or off, dim or brighten, and even adjust the speed of mode. Sound active effects. The LED car interior lights system is equipped with sound sensors that lets the LED lights synchronized with music beat. The LED music light strip follow the beat and adjusts flashing to fit the strength of the sound. Safe and tidy. The ambient light working voltage is DC 12V, car charger included and built-in fuse. It is installed in the gap, which can provide your car with a good atmosphere effect and make your car tidy. The length of the installed optical fiber exceeds 100 inch. If the brightness of the optical fiber end is dark, it is recommended to add 1 PC RGB LED light at the end to make the optical fiber cable meet the brightness requirements. Original products, universal for all cars and trucks. Plug and play. You can cut it according to the length of each strip you need. DIY whatever you like. Number 4. IOTTIE AutoSense Wireless Car Charger. The IOTTIE AutoSense, one of the most adjustable car charging mounts you can buy. Its claw grip widens significantly and automatically to accommodate smartphones of all sizes, from the pocket-friendly iPhone 12 mini to the big-screen behemoths like the Galaxy S21 Plus. It has 2 feet at the bottom that you can lower to easily ensure that your smartphone's charging coils line up with the charger's coil to begin powering up. This Qi charger comes in multiple variants. There's a model that affixes to your vehicle's AC vent or CD player, another that sticks to your dashboard or windshield, and even a version that rests in your cup holder. We love that the mount rotates, meaning that you can use your phone in landscape or portrait mode. We also like that its arm extends and lets you move your phone not only higher or lower, but also closer to you while you're driving. During our tests, we measured that its arm extends from 5 to 8 inches long. The IOTTIE is powerful enough to charge your phone even through a thick leather case. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, and it includes a lengthy micro USB charging cable. Number 5. FH Group 3-row all-weather floor mats. Why we picked it? If SUV and minivan owners with kids and pets are looking for a nimble, affordable collection, this mat trio provides a functional, budget-friendly solution for floor coverage beneath all 3 rows. Molded from vinyl, these relatively inexpensive mats are durable, moisture-resistant, and easy to clean. The lightweight design makes daily spill and crumb cleanup more manageable and less stressful. At 11.4 pounds, drivers can easily pull out the entire set for a wash. On the downside, only the width can be altered. For an optimal fit, owners are advised to triple-check their floor dimensions to ensure the mat length is compatible with their application. The front mat is 28.7 by 18.5 inches. The 2 rear mats are 54.4 by 17.1 inches. The height on each is 2.76 inches, which is useful for containing wet messes or slushy snow. The price point is reasonable considering it outfits all 3 rows. Pros: designed to be trimmed to width, so vehicle owners can cut away excess material along the sides of mats. Outermost ridge is tall, which helps to contain spillage or slush. The plastic is waterproof and stain resistant. Cons: the grooves are not ultra-stiff or deep, making them less suitable for excursions with tons of sand, mud or snow. The nib backing doesn't hold the mats in place against rough, high-volume foot traffic. Number 6. Arken ALJ 3T Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack. The Arken Floor Jack is a reliable and versatile model, thanks to the lifting range between 3.75 and 1.8. It has a low-profile entry allowing it to lift lowered cars, but can also lift high enough for SUVs, minivans, and small trucks. The Arken ALJ 3T is made from aluminum, so it has a much lighter frame than steel models, tipping the scale at 58 pounds. That means you can take it from one job location to the next without worrying about pulling a muscle. You can also separate the handle into 2 pieces to store it in small spaces. For such a light frame, it can lift a lot. The weight capacity here is 3 tons, more than enough for a regular car or truck. However, if you are looking to raise a camper van, it will really depend on the size and what's inside. When in doubt, play safe and get a jack with a bigger weight capacity. You really don't want to realize it's not tough enough when you are under it, right? Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.